Hi guys, and welcome back to Manny Centric. Today we are doing a look with the Wild Side Manny X Me box, or you can call it the October 2019 Manny X Me box. Either way, same thing. I would have done this last night, but um, I didn't want to subject you guys to the background noise of snoring. So we're doing it this morning, and I've decided that I'm going to use elements from both. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with that for really quickly. So let's see. Okay, I'm going to need I'm gonna have to switch the colors because I didn't do my pinky and my thumb in the same color. So we're gonna go ahead and start with this one. This one's called Python. Super cute silvery shade. If you guys want like the full video on, my views of the box and everything, I'll link that in the top corner. And let's see. All right, that should be enough. Then I'm just going to swipe it and stamp it. And I like to use a rolling motion. That usually works for me. And then I'm going to go ahead and just get rid of the excess. All right, and now I've got a perfect triangle ready to be stamped on my finger. And that's just that easy. And I think that's why I'm going to really like this set. I hate to admit it because I love Halloween. I think Halloween is one of the most awesome holidays, but I see myself being kind of obsessed with this box for a little bit. So I'm going to try to finish up all of my Halloween manis and then just get back to this. But I love to create at least one look with the Manny X Me box as soon as I get it, which, by the way, Maniology shipping this time was super awesome. I just wanted to say that because the last couple times it's been arriving kind of later and later in the month, and this time it arrived really nice and early because I consider this one of those time sensitive kind of things because I don't want to tell you guys about it once it's too late for you to opt in if you skipped it, or if it's too late to do it to join and get a Manny X Me box. So I don't want to do that. So I like to try to get it to you as soon as possible, like as soon as I get it. Otherwise, it's not of much help to you. And we're going to stick this one on my thumb. And I'm going to stick that down just a little bit more. I didn't want this one to be as big just because I'm really liking these colors, and I really want to show off that silver. It's not going to happen like in the other nail because that's not what I've got planned. All right, and then we're going to move on to my two nails that are kind of like a nude color. For that one, for those two, I used KL Aquarius because I felt like it really went well with this. And I realized that partially that might be because of that gift set that I got with the little minis. Anyway, I'll remember it in a second, but I liked it so much that that's probably where that color palette is coming from. So we're going to go ahead and go in with the silver and do a snake print because I already know how to do like cow prints. I already know how to do like cheetah prints. So I feel like I want to try some of these reptile prints because I think that they are so awesome. So I'm going to use this one right there. All right, and it comes out really great, but I'm only going to do like half of my nail with this. Oh, and too bad. My nail is too long in the middle for me to make use of the rest of that stamp. I hate when that happens. I think that's when I really wanted to start keeping my nails short, was because of that. And we're going to go ahead and clean that stamp off, and I want to use it one more or two more times because I want to keep the same reptile print. I don't want to switch up the reptile prints too much. All right, and that one came out nicely. So I'm going to go ahead, remove the excess on the sides, and then I'm going to line it up for a vertical stamp. All right, and there we have my vertical stamp. So now we're going to go ahead and clean it off and do one last. And I'm like a little irritated because my cotton ball, like, I don't know what the thing is where it just like moves around, switches around, and I'm mad because I already filled it with acetone, so I don't want to switch it up right now. Also because I'm obviously in the middle of doing my nails, so I don't want to do that. All right, awesome. And I'm going to stamp this one in Viper because I think it looks so cool. The dark against the light metallic. And going to wipe this off. I don't know. I've mentioned it before. I have like the weirdest thing. I need to clean it off between stampings. I think it's because I don't think it'll pick up as well if I don't. But now that we've got all the prints in, now we can have some fun with using our borders, which I'm so excited about this. And I want to use like the thin line. So I'm going to just go ahead and remove my thick one. Okay. And that one's a little crooked. I'm not sure I really like that one. So I may have to restamp that one. I may have to stamp over it with the thick one. I really wanted to do like the thin borders, but when it doesn't turn out the way you want it, you improvise. And I'm refilling my cotton ball because the other one kept like switching around and I just couldn't deal with it. And not really like switching around, but like the positioning kept moving and it was just, oh, that irritates me. I may have to get another cotton grabber. Maybe the one I got was like defective. I don't know. I'm waiting for that acetone to finish drying down. Now that it's all dry, I'm gonna do that again. All right, so yeah, definitely the thick line looks better. So I'm gonna go in and do a thick border for my horizontal one too. And the thing I had to learn was making sure that when I do the border, swipe down and not across. Because last night I decided I was going to swipe across and I kept losing the design. And that made me a little upset. But it wasn't a problem with the stamping pad. It wasn't a problem with the stamper. It was all pretty much because I was using the wrong direction. And I'm going to go ahead and wipe that off, get it all clean. And then I'm going to go ahead and remove all the liquid latex and show you guys the final design. All right, guys, we are back and this is the final look. And it does have like a lot of gloss to it. So I think I might be doing a matte mani just so that we can get some better pictures. But I am overall astounded at how much I really like this plate set. So if you have not opted in or if you have not joined Manny X Me yet, keep in mind that once you join, you can always skip a box if you don't like what they're offering. But I would definitely say grab this one. It's totally a keeper and it's not seasonal, so it's timeless. Like if you want to do furs for like winter or summer trend, you can. And like if you're a Harry Potter fan, I am sure that the snake skins will come in handy with your Slytherin manis. So overall, I'm going to say definitely a yeah. I mean, even if you decide that you don't like the colors, Manny X Me Express, I believe, Manny X Me Express allows you to just get the plates. So you wouldn't get the nail polishes if you don't want them. So still a good value. But I'm going to go ahead and take some pictures of this. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like, share, and subscribe so that we can do more videos like this. If you are already subscribed, I want to take this moment to really say thank you. I appreciate your support and for you giving me your time and watching these videos. It's truly something that I enjoy doing because I like playing with my nails. It's one of my favorite things in the whole world. So having people that I can share that with makes it all the more fun for me. So, thank you guys again. I hope you have a great rest of your day.